As your spatial projects grow in complexity, managing your assets efficiently becomes crucial. In this video of the Bezi 101 series, we're going to go through the Bezi Library feature. The library serves as a repository where all your saved material styles and components are stored. This centralization makes it easy to access and reuse assets across different projects, and as a distribution method for collaboration within your team. Saving to the library happens automatically. Every material you save in the material library and component you create will be saved to the library. From the library, you can quickly add materials to your project by dragging and dropping them quickly onto your objects. You can also drag and drop component instances onto your spatial canvas. To help you organize your library, you can right-click to rename or delete elements as needed. If you're working within a team, your components and materials created from other files within the team will show up in the team library. If you've already started working on a file and want to put it into a team, you can do so by dragging your file into a team from the home screen. In conclusion, you can keep your projects manageable for yourself or for your team by maintaining your library of materials and components. Now that you have a strong understanding of how to keep your assets organized, the next videos of Bezi 101 will help you bring it all to life with interaction design. See you there!